It's day 7 and I'm back on this wall. So that primer went on well. Got to sand back the rest of this, then I've got to mask off all of those. Got to sand back the ceiling. Mask, because I want to get all of this in primer today. Yeah, cool. Start. And the fun part about painting, especially using a sprayer, is masking. So everything's been sanded off the ceiling and the wall. I've masked this beam, those lights, taken the pelmet off the verticals and put the plastic sheet up. Just got to do those lights, that beam and those spottos there, plus the smoke alarm. And then we can start making this room look pretty. Yeah, we'll primer it. And that should make a huge difference. Yeah, do another coat on that wall and then do the ceiling. Cool. Well, it took a long time, but we are all masked everywhere, and except for those windows up the top. But anyway, it is time to mix up a batch and start spraying. I think we're going to start with that side and move on from there. Yeah, that took hours to mask all of that up. That wasn't fun. But yeah, stitching time, as they say. All right, let's get spraying. It's been an interesting day. So I have sprayed that wall, albeit very badly down there, with primer, and that wall, and a lot of that ceiling, and started back on the brick wall again. So that's going to need one more coat of primer. Yeah, I've got some runs down there, I can sand that back. Yeah, the gun was giving me a bit of attitude today. He didn't really want to play ball and it took me a while to dial it in. But when it was, it worked. But when it wasn't, he was doing streaky stuff like that. But anyway, this will all dry out now. And it'll need a sand. It's got a fair bit of marble orange peel to it. But yeah, you can really see in the camera where that window was. But anyway, that'll get fixed. But yeah, pretty good day today. Got all this masked off anyway, so I can just go hell for leather and painting the rest of it. That gun's just drying up at the end. You can see how yellow that ceiling white is too compared to the primer. Oh well, yep, getting there, kicking on. Back again tomorrow, and that's going to give you a hint of what we're doing. Well, that is. And that.